Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your main address to the Zara Home application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen, then click on address book, tap on personal details, and after that you will be able to add your billing address. So tap on private individual, and then you should select the market where you wish to be billed. So select your country, then add your name, your last name, add your address, your floor door number, then the name of your city, your postcode, and the mobile number. If you are done with these steps, click on the save button down below to save all the information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.